Alright, so installing the Exile on the Halo. Looks like you can just pull one corner and you are going to be able to get the whole thing. So, probably going to want to start out by sizing out exactly where your sensor is going to go in relation to being able to pull this in. If you have a crying child in your house like I do, you're always under the gun.
This is the most fun. Can I peel it off?
Nothing makes me feel more useless than trying to peel off the back of stickers. I left a little tiny piece. We're gonna just pretend like you're the average customer that didn't read instructions.
Does this even come with instructions?
Yeah. So,
Oh, because you can poke in both sides, you can put them down individually. Nice.
that's pretty good. Now, again, I would love if the sensor extended down into here, because I always leave my foot back there. But you know what they say about beggars and choosers. For the record, I didn't want to do the wide mod because I'm just really weary about twisting my cables like that. I'm sure that it is fine and safe if the maker of the pad is telling you you can do it. Ultimately, in the end of the day, all these rides come down to your own personal level of comfort, and that exceeds mine. Damn it.
Do you just use the regular connector for GT on this?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull one off. Probably a pint pad because they're the exact
They're
same.
the same, yeah. Perfect lay number 2.
What is this? Oh. Do not let any of it get stuck together. Alright.
Boom. There you go.
Times. Get some vinyl down and put some grip over that.
There you go.